Welcome to Math 103. My name is Sarah Torpy. I am your instructor for this course. I just wanted to drop in and say hello and let you see my face and know that I'm a real human being that will be here. You'll hear my voice a lot in this course. You may not always see my face, but here I am as a person. So you will connect with me over email, over message, over chat, lots of different ways, but this is who I am. I have been teaching math for many, many years at this point. I started as a middle school teacher, and then I went on to coaching teachers at the middle school and elementary and some high school level, and I've been teaching college kids for a long time now. Excuse me, both here in PA and back in New Jersey where we used to live. And I love this job. So I really enjoy working with you guys, and in this course in Math 103 and in the other courses I teach here at Bucks and other places, this is really my favorite thing to do, as dorky as that sounds. This is intermediate algebra. So it is, in some ways, it should be some review. You should have done some of this before, but there will be things in this course that are challenging. There is a lot of material in this course for us to work through. So please be aware of the amount that's going to be coming. We are going to start with a factoring chapter. It's kind of that really should be review. It is one of the most important series of sections that we do because it is the underpinning of everything else. It is really hard to get through this course successfully without the factoring because we build all the way up to using it in rational expressions and equations and in logs and exponents and all kinds of things later in the semester. It's really important that you get the early stuff. This is a course where concepts build on each other. So if you find that you're stuck early, please reach out. My job in this course is to present material to you, to give you the tools to learn, to give you resources. You'll have a partner to work with. You'll have the ability to send me messages or hop on chat. My job is to set you up to be successful. Your job is to take that opportunity. You are the one responsible for your learning, and please know that. I wish I could make you do it sometimes, but I can't. Please use the resources that are offered to you. Your participation in this course is not measured by you showing up to class in a classroom, remember. Your participation is measured by the assignments that we do, by showing up in the discussion threads, by doing the work and asking questions. So please do those things. That's part of how you're going to be graded. You'll learn all about how assignments will work and grading and all of those things as you work through the Start Here module that's coming. You will also learn about the tool we use this semester, which is ALEKS. ALEKS is required for this class. It is the tool we use for just about everything. So please know that you need to get your ALEKS information, your ALEKS login sooner than later. All of that information is coming in the second part of the Start Here module. You will also see information about calculators in there. If you have questions, please say so. Okay, so as you work for this course, you know that you can get me on email. You can get me on Canvas message. You can ask if I can hop into the chat in Canvas. I'm not always right on there, but if you ask and we schedule time, I'm happy to be there. Please also use the tools that Bucks offers you. The tutoring center is open to you, both in person and they do some work online. There are resources inside of ALEKS for extra support. Use what's around you. If you find that you are stuck, if you feel like you are falling behind at any point in this course, now in November, whenever, and I understand life happens to all of us. Believe me, life happens here too. I have little kids, I have a dog, I have a husband that travels. We have stuff too, believe me. Please say something. I'm not a mind reader. I will reach out if I don't hear from you and try to find you. But if you're having an issue with assignments, with schedule, with those kinds of things, you need to say something. Okay, because I don't see you in person to see that you look like you're struggling. It's good to be in touch. All right, so from here, your job is to work on the Start Here module. You're going to work through that. You're going to participate by doing the little mini assignments that are sort of buried throughout. They are built in that way, particularly to make sure that you're reading carefully, because all of the information in there is really important. Once you're through that, we start in chapter 4 with factoring. Yay! So I am looking forward to working with all of you this semester. I look forward to your questions. I look forward to the discussions and the work. And let's have a good semester. See you in the modules.